Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I'm really excited to share with you the Blooming Cat Tarot. This was actually gifted to me and you know who you are, so I'm really excited to unbox this with you. It looks adorable. So this is by the Clever Crow and it is a complete 78 card deck with flower and cat themes. So I'm really excited. It looks adorable. As always, I will link in the description box where you can purchase this legitimately if you are interested in that. So it is a tuck box. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. All right, here's the guidebook. Oh my God, it looks adorable. So we have a 3-card spread there. And then just a really quick blurb about each card here. So we'll go into the guidebook again once we pick a card from the pile after the flip through and see how it reads. All right. Oh my God, this back though. Beans. We have Kit Kat beans. Oh my God. Adorable. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. All right. It looks like it might be a little bit glossy, just a smidge. I like the art style. Okay, let's talk cardstock. It is nice. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. It bounces back. I'm excited to see how it will shuffle. Cute. All right, this is your warning now. If you don't like my oohs, my ahs, and all of that, you might want to mute me. I love this art style. It's so fun. You still have a lot of that symbolism. No borders. Precious. Oh my gosh. It's very punchy with the art style. The colors are vibrant, but they're not annoyingly vibrant. You know what I mean? Like they're not in your face. It doesn't make you feel like you're gonna have tired eyes after reading with them. Very cool. I like how the earth is all over there. Oh my gosh. Oh. I love this Adam and Eve symbolism. Oh my God, it's a cardboard box. I can't. Oh my God. This is adorable. I can't. It's just precious. Very gentle as well. It does give off like a very positive, gentle, kind of fun-loving vibe. I had a kitty cat that looked like this. His name was Scooter. Scoots. Love this death card. That's really cool. The cover art, I guess you would call it, on the packaging. Look at this happy baby. What a fun devil card. So you'll notice that the numbers are kind of all over the place for each card. That doesn't really bother me. I kind of like it that it blends into the scenery. The same with the name of the card too. They're mice. Oh my gosh. love this. And these, oh, these are so pretty. It's a very modern feel, very almost minimalistic without being like legitimately minimalistic, you know? I don't know how to explain it. They feel good in the hand. They're a good size. So far, I am loving it. I think that this would be a great alternative if you really enjoy the Rider-Waite-Smith imagery and symbolism, but want a more gentler take, or you want a more modern, cutesy take. This is definitely a cute alternative, a fun alternative. This would be great for clients as well. People who don't necessarily know a lot about tarot or could frighten easily, be easily intimidated maybe. This might be a great deck for those clientele. Cute, the veggies. This gives me very similar vibes to the Crystal Unicorn deck, which I love so much, the tarot. It's similar in the sense of like the cuteness mixed with the Rider-Waite-Smith style, where you get the same symbolism, but just a different perspective, I guess. I love that. Cute. I'm a sucker for beans. I love toe beans. Oh, poor guy. And I love the toe beans that have like different colors on their paw pad. Oh my God. This is just precious. You guys might be seeing this a lot more in pick a card readings. It's just so fun. I feel like it's easy to kind of read for a beginner. You kind of understand what's being shown here. I love the added plants in here too. That's just so sweet. Precious. I like the use of the flowers instead of like the swords or the cups. It's very nice to see a difference, you know, a different kind of symbol for it. It's almost like it makes it even more gentle. Ooh. And our last suit. Oh, and there's even the black Kit Kat. I'm really liking this art style. It's very fun. We have branches for wands. Oh gosh. Cute. Just this card back is just sending me. I love it so much. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Ooh. All right. Nice. Let's try it this way. Oh, that one wanted to come out. Yeah, I really like how it shuffles too. Like they glide really well. They're not sticking together. Oh my gosh, this card back. I'm sorry. I just think it's so adorable. So we're going to read for the Four of Swords, see what the guidebook has to say. Okay. Oh, I missed it. All right, Four of Swords. So upright, the key words, it looks like we've got relaxation, meditation, and contemplation. And we do have a reversed meaning here, exhaustion, deep contemplation. All right. So there's something to be said about just enough information to get you going. I don't mind this. I feel like looking through the guidebook here that it's pretty good. As far as if you were a beginner, you would understand exactly what is going on. There's just enough to like help you move through the reading. And then should you want to dive a little bit deeper, I always suggest getting a reference book, a good one. There's a bunch out there, whatever feels right for you, just to have it next to you alongside of your reading when you're beginning. I mean, even if you're not, if you're still going through and you feel pretty confident in your reading skills, still have a tarot reference book just for those days where you have like a mind blank or you want to dive a little bit deeper. It's always good to have them close by. But my thought process on this whole deck is that it's adorable. I love it. If you are a cat lover and a plant lover or vice versa, I think that this has so much personality. It's so fun. It's so gentle, very gentle. And it's got some humor to it. I feel like a lot of people are going to enjoy getting a reading from this because of how dynamic and fun the colors are and the art style is. But again, it's not intimidating. It's not scary. It's definitely easy to see the symbols. Like, it's all there. So if you're looking for a new Rider-Waite-Smith version of a deck, this one might be for you if you like cats. I mean, like, you understand what's going on in this card, but it's not, you know, you're not feeling, you know, like it's just attacking you. It shuffles great. I like the cardstock. I don't have any issues. I don't have any like negative complaints to say. It's adorable. I always want more information, but I feel like this is a great jumping off point. So needless to say, I am very excited to start using this. Thank you so much for this gift. I am so excited, and it's precious, and like I was very excited, and also I was very surprised when I received it. So thank you so much. If you guys want to send me like a letter or anything, I always will have my UPS, or not UPS, my PO box down in the description box should you want to. I enjoy hearing from you guys, so if that's something that you like to do, I will welcome that with open arms. But yes, please don't feel like I'm trying to tell you send me more things. But this was just a pleasant surprise and so much fun. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You know who you are. And that being said, please let me know down in the comment section what you think about this deck. Are you excited about it? Did you even know it existed? Because I sure didn't. I think it's so fun. And if this is not your cup of tea, let me know that too. So always down in the comments, share your thoughts and opinions. And that's just what this is for me as well. These are my thoughts and opinions. And again, all the links are in the description box. Should you be interested in my social media, etc., everything's there. So with that being said, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. You make my day, my week, my month, and even my year. All right, everyone, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of the video. Bye-bye.